Hi everyone, welcome to another video of VxByte, and in this video we will set up our local environment for Python development. So to do any programming you need at least two things. The first thing is editor and the next thing is either compiler or interpreter based on the programming language. So Python provides you different ways to run their code. So the first thing is on the website itself they provide this python.org/cell. It is a console provided by Python Anywhere, which is a website to host and run your Python. The next way is you can use Jupyter Notebook to run your Python code. Okay. The next thing is you can use any online IDE, for example HackerRanks, or solve any challenges over there. But what we will do is we will set up our local environment. So go to the download section and click on this Python 3.9.1. So when you will click on this option, your download will get started. Okay, so what we will do is we will double click on this icon, and what we will do is first we will add Python 3.9 to path. We will customize this location and we will click on next. We will change this path and I'm going to install it inside my 3.9 folder in this folder. Okay, so and I'll click on install. So it might take some time based on the system, so we will wait for some time and let's see. So in the meantime what we can do is we can see that we can check whether Python is installed on our system or not by going to your command window and typing just as Python, because if Python is not installed there might be scenarios that we have not set Python to our environment variable. Okay, so what it does if Python is not on our system, then it will open the Microsoft installer to download it, but we have already downloaded this from their official website. So what we will do is we will close this and we will just wait for this setup to be successful. So the next thing is like we will open the command prompt and verify whether Python is installed on our system or not. So we will just type Python and it will open the Python shell. Okay, to exit from the Python interactive shell you can just use exit and exit method. Okay, and to check the Python's version you can directly use version and it will say Python 3.9.1 is installed on our system. Apart from this there are like different options available here. So if you will go to the help section, then it will provide all the commands that you can use with this Python. Okay, so the next thing is like we will set up our local environment. So we are going to use Visual Studio Code. So first of all we will download this. So I have already downloaded and installed the VS Code on our system. So what I'll do is I will cancel the installation. Please let me know in the comment section if you face any issue with VS Code installation or anything as such. You can see that I have created one file called helloworld.py. Okay, so the first program which we often write of is hello world. Okay, so the next thing is you can see that no Python interpreter is selected. You need to select the Python interpreter. So what I'll do is I will use Python interpreter. So okay, now to write anything we can directly use, and I'll say hello world. Okay, we'll save this file, and to run this you can directly run F5 to open this in debug mode, and you can use Control F5 to run the application. Okay, so you can see that finally executed our first program in Visual Studio. So I'll see you in the next video with more content. So till then stay tuned, do not forget to like and subscribe, and please let me know if you face any issue or